Ever wonder how 7-segment display works? Today, we're going to dive into the world of digital electronics. We'll be using a 7-segment display to visually represent numbers and letters.
To achieve this, we'll be using a 7-segment decoder, which takes a binary input and converts it into the appropriate signals to light up the correct segments. Let's get started.
Let's start from 0. To light it up, all inputs must be negative to activate Y sub 1 to Y sub 6.
Next is 1. To light it up, input A, B, and C are negative and D is positive to activate Y sub 3 and Y sub 4.
Next is 2. To light it up, input A, B, and D are negative and C is positive to activate Y2, Y3, and Y5 to Y7.
Next is 3. To light it up, inputs A and B are negative. Meanwhile, C and D are positive to activate Y sub 2 to Y sub 5 and Y sub 7.
Next is 4. To light it up, input A, C, and D are negative and B is positive to activate Y sub 1, Y sub 3, Y sub 4, and Y sub 7.
Next is 5. To light it up, we need input A and C are negative. B and D are positive. To activate Y sub 1, Y sub 2, Y sub 4, Y sub 5, and Y sub 7.
Next is 6. To light it up, input A and D are negative. B and C are positive to activate Y sub 1, Y sub 2, and Y sub 4 to Y sub 7.
Next is 7. To light it up, input A is negative, B, C, and D are positive to activate Y sub 2 to Y sub 4.
Next is 8. To light it up, input B, C, and D are negative, and A is positive to activate Y sub 1 to Y sub 7.
And lastly is 9. To light it up, input B and C are negative, A and D are positive to activate Y sub 1 to Y sub 5 and Y sub 7.
I hope you enjoyed the process for our 7-segment decoder.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And see you on the next video.
Peace!